what I need, I'll wait guys. What I need is for all of my rows to equal 1, which means I need all of my rows to have the same top and bottom. Whatever that is. So, if I'm in this situation, I'm looking 8 and 6, what's the first step? This should be an automatic answer for almost everything. Go. Common denominators. So, what's the common denominator for 8 and 6? Go. 24. You can find that using any of the methods you like. I'm not going to show that step, but you would use the multiples method or you would use the prime factorization. You'd find common denominator 24. Once I know that, I have to change everything to 24s. It's going to be 24, something over 24. 3 over 8 becomes what? 8 times 3 is 24, so 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 4 is 24, so 1 times 4 is 4. So now I know I have 9 and 4. I need 24 total. So what am I missing? 9 and 4 is 13. I need 11. Now that I have 11, I know that this row is done. Shh. Next. What is my next step?
That's like 10 days away.
Anyone other than Brandon? Brandon's going to bail everybody out. Thank you.
1/3. So you change it to the common denominator.
For sure. I got to change my 1/3 to 24ths. I could also change it to 6ths right now and maybe be okay for the one row, but I'm going to change it to 24ths. That was times 8, so now I have 8. I can do any of 2 rows now. I can do this row or this row. Like this diagonal or this row. The diagonals have to work too. They probably do if everything else works. So, 11 and 8 is 19. How many more do I need? 5? I agree. So now, I have 5 over 24, and I have 9 over 24 right here. What's going to be there? 5 and 9 is 14. How many more do I need? 10. 10 and 8 is 18. How many more do I need?
2.
I need to get to 24. Was that 18? 6. 6 and 11 is 17. How many more do I need? 7. 7 and 5 is 12. How many more do I need? 12. And 12 and 8 is 20 and 4 is 24 in this row, so everything works. 9 and 8 is 17 and 7 works in that diagonal, so everything works, yeah?
For the top one, the white one, how do you get 11?
How do I get 11 here? Because I need 24 total in this whole row. When I'm only looking at the 24s, when I'm only looking at this, this, and this, I need all of the tops to be the same as the bottom. So the bottom is 24 because we decided that's our common denominator. So I already had 9 and I already had 4, so that's 13. How many more do I need to add to 13 to make 24? And that's 11. Does that make sense? And then once I had this 11, I was thinking the exact same thing. 11 and 8, that's 19. How many more do I need to get to 24? I need 5. 5 and 9 is 14, sorry. How many more do I need to get 24? I need 10. Does that make sense? And I just kept doing that in every direction. Now, many of these can be reduced, and the question asks you to reduce them. So what's simplest form of 4 over 24? It's 1 over 6. We already have that. 3 over 8 we already have. What about 10 over 24? Simplest form. What number will go into both 10 and 24? 2. That'll give me 5 over 12. That is lowest. That is simplest. Shh. What about, I know 5 over 24 is simplest because 5 is prime and it doesn't go into 24. What about 12 over 24?
2.
2 will, but a lot bigger number also will. 6. That's gonna, you could have kept pumping 2's in there, no problem. But I'm gonna skip some steps. 12 goes into 12 once, 12 goes into 24 twice. 7 is prime, it doesn't go into 24, so that's simplest. What about 6 over 24?
6.
6 goes into both, that'll be 1 over 4. And that's that.